Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Your iPhone has the latest iOS and Bluetooth is enabled. Then, place the charged Apple Watch near the phone so the devices detect one another. Keep them within a few feet. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing to initiate the process. This creates the handshake. Once the animated pattern appears on the watch face, use your iPhone camera to center it, or choose manual pairing if you prefer typing codes. Next, you decide whether to set the watch as a new device or restore from a backup. Choose Restore if you want previous settings, apps, and watch faces. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID so iCloud, health data, and Find My integrate properly. Then, step through system prompts, enable or disable Siri, location services, diagnostics, and create a passcode. This secures Apple Pay and biometric features. Once done, the iPhone will sync apps and preferences automatically in the background. Finally, allow the watch to finish syncing. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on apps and data, so keep both devices close and on Wi-Fi. Configure Apple Pay, add emergency contacts, and arrange your app layout on the watch app. Make sure passcode and health permissions are confirmed. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch, then use manual pairing. This often clears Bluetooth or temporary software glitches and lets you complete setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.